right. You're not disturbing me. I'm not trying to talk anymore. You carry on day after day, haunted by one thought. I must work. I must work. I must work. This is my study. Gloomy trial my stories. At times I used to sit here and watch people walking down the street when I need to take my mind off. So many faces appear for a second and yet disappear. Never show. Not one person has the same face. Each and every one of them have their own face, own character. I'm right. Sometimes I think I may be mad. I'm quite harmless, but I don't admit it's a wonder. I'm engaged in conversations where I hear nothing and see only the silent movement of lips and answer meaningless. Yes, yes, of course. And all the time, I'm thinking, he will make a wonderful character from a story. This one. You can also be a character of my story. Oh, wow. I have a habit of singing, especially when I need inspiration for writing. It's just give rhythm to the words out of my mouth. As I sing, I can refresh myself and pick up great line for my story. So many faces appear, disappear. Through the window I see their passing. Various faces, various lives are there. From where to where is my life going? Yes, excuse me a moment, just making a note. Yes, yes, an idea just occurred to me. A subject for a short story. Yes, yeah. It was my mention in the theater that sparked me. Yes, yes. Wow. Wow. What are we talking about a moment ago? No matter. My thoughts are consumed with this new story. See if this appeals to you. It starts in theater. It starts on the opening night of the new season. It starts with the arrival of all those dear and devoted patrons of the art, who wave and greet each other in the grand salon, commenting on how the song looked, how they are dressed, scarcely knowing what play they are about to see that evening, with the exception of one man, Ivan Ilyich Chernyakov. If Ivan Ilyich Chernyakov, a singer-songwriter, climbed the Ministry of Public Works, had any passing in life at all, it was theater.
I can't understand you. The more people like us come to the theater like this, I don't know what to think. sometimes you seem to be a stranger to me.
Why? Isn't romantic and nice?
You should know your place. Look at us, wearing these worn-out and humble clothes. I'm embarrassed.
Well, forget things like that.
Cut,
How we enjoy the show.
cut your coat according to your clothes.
All
you
right. Women always making a husband inside the world.
Thank God. And you can thank my parents while you are at it for having a good wife like me. But don't forget to thank yourself. You are good for nothing and narrow-minded. You could be one of the beggars in the park.
He certainly had hopes and ambitions for a higher office and had dedicated his life to hard work, zeal, and patience. Still, he would not deny himself his one great pleasure. So he purchased 2 tickets in the very best section of the theater for the opening night performance of Roast of the Bearded Countess. As he fortunate hurried into the theater that night came his respected superior general nearly present, the Minister of Public Health himself.
Good evening, General.
What? Oh, yes, good evening.
Pardon me, sir. I am 즐기자.바꿀순없어. 이번일치. This is a great honor for me, sir.
Oh, yes.
Like yourself, dear General, I too serve the Minister of Public Affairs. That is to say, I serve you, who is indeed himself the Minister of Public Affairs.
Keep up the good work from the trees and goodies. Yes.
My wife would like very much to say hello, General. This is my wife, Madam 즐기자.바꿀순없어.
How do you do?
My pleasure.
My pleasure.
How do you do?
Madam President,
How do you do, Madame Brussels?
my
How
wife,
do you do?
I just had the pleasure of meeting your husband.
and I'm my wife's husband. How do you do, Madam President? You are very more than your husband.
Sorry. Terribly sorry.
I hope you enjoy the play, sir.
Philip had pleased with himself for having made the most of this golden opportunity. Ivan Ilyich Chernyakov sat back to enjoy the bearded countess. He was no longer a stranger to the Minister of Public Policy. They had become, if one wanted to be generous about the matter, familiar with each other. And then, quite suddenly, without any warning, like a bolt from a great thundering sky, Ivan Ilyich Chernyakov reared his head back and
Oh my goodness! Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Your Excellency, I'm so terribly sorry.
Never mind, it's all right.
All right. Yesterday is another. It was master so me.
You make too much of battle. Let it rest.
How can I let it rest? It was unforgivable. It was inexcusable. Permit me to wipe your General. It's the least I can.
It's all right, I said.
I swear to you, sir. You'll complete the habits spreader. mercury a particle of dust in the nostril.
But try as he might, 최대컵 그 나쁘지 시도 타오르지 마. Just like this. I was completely trapped by it.
Charming. Simply charming. Wasn't I charming, my dear?
Yes, charming. If you had not tempted me, I would be a famous actress. At the front of the audience. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, who hear me? Such a very wonderful night this is. How nice it could be.
So, did you regret marrying me?
No, certainly not. But my beauty and talent could be more useful than now. On the stage, they serve more people.
I'm sure you are the one of the most beautiful women in the world.
I want to act like actress.
What?
Now and here, you will act like the actor.
Well,
Please, do you remember the dialogue?
you. You desire the diamond of him?
I love you, but my parents forced me to marry him. Oh, my love.
Your ex is performed as a variety actress.
Oh, really?
Who are you?
I am. 셔르자코.
Stand back there. It's the sneezer.
All right. I will sneeze out. I just concerned that we were going out into the night air with that path.
Oh, that is a trifle. A mere faux pas. Forget him, young man. Amazing play, don't you think? Did you find it amusing?
Oh, music. Goodness. Oh, yes. So true. I have a lot of days in my 2 years.
Oh, yeah. Which part interested you the most?
The sneeze. First sneeze on you. It was unforgivable, sir.
Forgetting, young man. Come, my dear. It looks like a lane. I don't want to get my head wet again.
You shouldn't let people sneeze on you, dear. You are not to sneeze there.
Ivan. Well, you mustn't let it concern you. It'll just harmless little sneeze. The general probably forgotten it already. Do you really think so? No! I'm scared. So, what did I tell you? I told you should know your place. The theater like this is not the place for us. Come.
And so they walked home in despair.
Perhaps I should something nice gift. Maybe some Turkish towel.
Cherniakov's once promising career had literally been blown away.
Why did this happen to me? Why didn't I go to the theater at all? Why did I sit in the balcony with the people of our class? They love sneezing on each other.
For goodness sake, pull yourself together. And come to bed, Ivan.
Perhaps if I were to grow the general, I'll explain matters again. But it's such a charming, honest, and self-effacing manner. You will have no choice but to forgive me.
Maybe it's the best not to remind him. Oh, forget it and come to bed.
No. I ever expect to become a gentleman. I must behave like one.
And so the morning came. It so happened this was the day the general listened to partitions. Since there were 50 or 60 partitions ahead of Cherniakov, he waited from morning till late afternoon.
Next. Next. Next.
I'm not next, Your Excellency. I'm last.
Better than last.
Dismiss, sir.
What is your partition?
I have no partition, sir. I'm not a partitioner.
Then you waste my time.
Do you not recognize me, sir? It's not the last night under rather explosive circumstances. I am the superior.
The what?
The sneeze. The one who's sneezed. The sneezing spreader.
And then? And what is it you want now? Overnight?
No, Excellency. Your forgiveness. I just wanted to point out there was no political or antisocial motivation behind my sneeze. It was non-partisan, non-violent act of God. I cursed the day the fruitless spoke itself on my face. It's heaven knows, sir. I'm not responsible for its indiscretions. Punishes that which committed the crime. But there was the innocent body behind it. Exile my nose. But forgive me. Your kind chef, forgive me.
My young man, I'm not angry with your nose. I am too busy to have time for your lesson programs. I suggest you go home and take one bad or cold one. Take something and don't bother me with such business again.
Thank you, sir. God bless you and your wife and household. May your days be sweet and may your nights be better than your days.
The feeling of relief that came over Charlie Cobb was enormous.
May the birds sing in the morning and your window. May the coffee your strong and hot.
The weight of the burden that was lifted was inestimable.
I worship the chair you sit on and the uniform you wear that sits on the chair that I worship.
He walked on singing and whistling like a oh, life was surely a marvel, joy, a heavenly paradise. Oh God! I'm happy! And yet,
Yeah, and yeah. And yeah.
when he arrived home, he began to think.
Have I been the butt of a cruel and thoughtless joke?
Had the minister toyed with him?
If he had no intention of punishing me, why did he torment me so mercifully?
If the sneeze man surrendered to the minister, why did he deliberately cause Charlie Cobb to lie in his bed?
To twist the agony on entire night?
Charlie Cobb was furious.
I'm furious!
He foamed and fumed and paced the night through. And in the morning, he called out to his wife, Sonia!
Sonia! I'm humiliated!
You, Ivan? Who dare? Except me? Who dare humiliate you?
Who? I'll tell you who! General President of the Minister of Public Parks! What did you do? That's why! I was humiliated such a salvation. It was almost discernible. He forced me could come to his office on my bed.
You are the reduced?
I was a reduced and gibbering idiot.
You must go back.
I must go back. I must go back and tell you what I think of it. The lower classes must speak up. The man of clear will be free. He will be free. Humiliated by I.
And so the next morning, good evening, General. Charlie Cobb humiliate.
Last.
Well, will you say? Do you not recognize me, Your Excellency? Look at my face. Yes, you are quite correct. It is I once again.
Did you once again? Who?
Charitable. Excellency, I will return. Have taken neither nor a cold one.
Who? Let this policeman in. What is it?
What is it? What is it, you ask? You sit there behind your desk and ask, what is it? You sit there in your lofty position as General Minister of Public Parks, a member in high standing among the upper class, and ask me, what is it? You sit there with a full knowledge that there is no equality in this life. That there are those of us that serve and those that are served, those of us that obey and those that are obeyed, those of us that bow and those that bow to. That in this life certain event that cause some of us to be humiliated. Then those that are the cause of the humiliation, and still you ask, what is it?
What is it? Don't stand there, shivering like an idiot. What is in you? What?
I'll tell you what I want. I wanted to apologize again for sneezing on you. I wasn't sure I made it clear. It was an accident. I assure you.
Out. Out! You idiot! Fool! Ambush! Get out of my sight! I never wanted to see you again! If you ever cross my line of vision, I'll have you exiled forever! What's your name?
즐기자.
You!
정상으로! Never! You insect! You 런웨이에 insect! You are the second cousin to cockroach! You are the bedbug! You are the nephew of the ringworm! You are nothing! Nothing! Do you hear me? You are nothing!
At the moment, something broke loose inside of Chantico. so deep, vital, so organic that the damage that was done seemed irreparable. Something drained from him that can only be described as the very life force itself. No matter what is over, once, for all, forever. What happens next was in the other thing. Or what happened next was quite simple. Ivan Ilyich Chernyakov arrived at home, removed his coat, and lay down on the sofa. Is this too much a surprise? But one's character could decide how one's life is going. If you want to change the end of the story, first, we'll have to change the character of Ivan Ilyich Chernyakov to someone else. Even though we face the same situation, what happens next will be all the same. It's because every person is different, and the conclusion depends on the character, not the situation.